Hello student, welcome you all in e-classes, e-learning classes. Student, we are learning about tuples. So here I am going to give few examples related to a function. This function is type. So welcome student in learning of type function. So student, here are some variables. First variable a, which is storing 9, or we can say that 9 is stored in A. Another variable is B, which is store 5.7. Another variable is C, which is store hello. Another variable is D, which stores 1 2 3 4 5, and these all data is under square bracket. You can see here the square bracket, which is represent that it is a list. And last variable D, oh, again another repetition D. To change it, it is variable E, variable E. So variable E is store 1 2 3 4 5, but it is in parenthesis or in small bracket. So student, this is tuples which we are learning. So what exactly code are available on the screen? Student, first line A equal 9. So print A. What will output? Definitely its result should be 9. And type A. Type A means which type of value is stored in variable A. So 9 is an integer value. So result of this one will class int or class integer. As well, in second line, which kinds of value is stored in variable B? 5.7. It is a kinds of float. So print B, it will print 5.7, and print type B, it will print class float. C equal hello. So this hello is of which kinds? We all know all the data which is enclosed in double, single or triple quote mark is called string. So print C will print hello, but print type C will print class string. Another variable D, which is stored 1 2 3 4 5 as a list, because square bracket is there. So print D, it will print all variables, all value, all elements of D. And type D, it will print class list. And last, which we are learning, E, it is stored 1 2 3 4 5, but it is in parenthesis, so it will store it as a tuple. So print E, it will print all the elements which is stored in variable E. And print type E. So student, let's start. I am going to run this program. Source code be saved. Okay. And now you can find the output. Output is here. I am just displaying it. Just see the student here. Here you can see all the code, and then here you can find all the this 9, it is for A equal 9 and print A. So this result is print A. And type A, which is available here, so class int, again 5.7, it is print B. Class float, it means 5.7 is float. C is hello, print C. So print C is going to give you hello. And if you are going to print type of C, so it will class str. Str means string. And again print D. D is a kinds of list, 1 2 3, it is in square bracket. And print type D, so class list. and lastly if you are going to see print e 1 2 3 4 5. So student, I hope कि you have learned about type function. Now a new point is going to start, which is list versus tuple. List versus tuple. Okay, now suppose in variable d I have stored 1 and 2 as a list variable, which is in square bracket print d, it will print 1 and 2 in square bracket. In variable e, suppose you have stored 1 2 also and print e, so it will display 1 2, nothing is different. But in the output this d will be displayed in square bracket and this e will be displayed in parenthesis. Again just see the result, I'm going to show you. Okay, source will save. Now you can see here is the result 1 2 and 1 2. Okay student, again I am going to display lastly 1 2 1 2. Okay, one another change I am going to make so that easily you can find the differences, and I am sure ki it is visible. And student, if it is not visible then let me know, write in my comment, I will give best solution for this. So here you can find this 1 2 in square bracket, which is because of print d, and this 1 2 in parenthesis, this is because of e. Now we are going to learn about list versus tuple. If after this line I am going to add d equal